Okay, so let us start this, the video 3, exercise 13.6. These questions, there will be no test for this, okay? So let us start with the one, A1. Okay, let me read the question for us. The radius of a wire is decreased to 1/4 of its original and the volume remains the same. Then how many times will the new length become its original length? The question is simply saying there is a, I think, thicker wire in the beginning. The radius, let us say, is R, and the length of this wire is, let us say, H. Then this has been made thinner, obviously, because the question is saying radius is decreased, means the wire will become thinner. So from here, this radius here, this radius has become R by 4. Decreased 4 times means it is made 4 times thinner than the original. So obviously, question is saying volume remains same, means the wire would have become longer because it's made from the same wire. Now change into a longer shape means definitely it will become a thinner, means definitely become longer. So let us say this is the new radius, new length Hn. So here let R, okay, equal to R and H be the radius and length of the original wire, let us say respectively. Okay, respectively. Now since question is saying, since here radius is decreased, we'll just write in short, radius is decreased to 1/4. Okay, 1/4. We can see that in the question. So what does this mean? That is R by 4 will become equal to radius of new wire. Now wire is cylindrical, so we keep that in mind, okay? And let us suppose Hn, unknown now, we have to find out how much this has changed, be the length of the new wire. So with this now, we have one more information. Since its volume, look there towards the question letter part of the first line, its volume remains, since its volume remains same, question is saying like that. Therefore, what does this volume remain same mean? It means volume of the new wire is exactly equal to the volume of the original wire. That's what the question is saying actually. Same means there is that. So with this, we can now do like this. Wire means cylindrical, so we use the formula for volume of cylinder. Pi R by 2 is the radius of the new wire. See, new. So we need to put bracket because numerator denominator is there. Pi R square. H is Hn for the new one. It will be equal to volume of the original is here. See, R, simply R and H. So we can just put the R square H. So pi and pi can cancel out. Right. So here we will get here R square by 2 2s are 4 into Hn is equal to R square H. So here R square up and R square up will cancel because if you shift R square, it will go to the denominator, cancel out this numerator. So here that will give you length of the new wire Hn is equal to, okay, so here 2 2s are 4. Oh, sorry, we made a slight mistake here. See here, R by 4. This should have been 4, sorry. So this should have been double 4 4s are 16. So we will write here 16, sorry. 16 into H, so 16 times H. There is, you can write your, just before you make your choice, from here you can come and write that is the new length. The new length is 16 times longer. That means 16 times the original length. That's what it means. the new wire would have become 16 times longer. In other words, you can write here, therefore the answer choice that match, these are multiple choice question. So if you go there, choice C is the right one. C has 16 times. So that is question number 1. Okay. Now let's go to A2. A2. Let me read the question for us. The volume of a cylinder is 567 pi centimeter cube and the height is 7 centimeter. Its total surface area will therefore be, okay, so there's a cylinder here. The height is clearly mentioned as 7 centimeter. So the height from here to here, 7 centimeter. Radius is what we need, we don't know yet. So here, for the cylinder, okay, for the cylinder, R is question mark, is the radius. And then H is equal to 7 centimeter is its height, okay, it's its height. Now the question is saying, volume of the cylinder is, since question is saying its volume is 567 pi centimeter cube. That's what the question is saying. And therefore, that is, volume of cylinder is pi r square h. Each means equal to 567 pi centimeter cube. 567 pi centimeter cube. So here, pi and pi can cancel out, and so you get your r square into h is 7 centimeter. As you can see here, 567 centimeter cube. So we can write here centimeter cube, and then here that implies r square, just keep it there, 567. Okay, this one 567 divided by centimeter cube. You can just write it here, divided by this 7 will come down along with the centimeter. Then here centimeter to the power 1 gone, 3 minus 1 is 2 left, 7 8s are 56, no in hand, 7 1s are 7. So r will be, square removed means square root over. And we know 81, we can write it as 9 9s are 81 centimeter square. Or we need not even show that. Double 9 will come out as single 9 and centimeter square will come out as single centimeter. So r is there now, h is there. You can find out what the question is asking us, which is its total surface area. So let us do that. Therefore, its total surface area, will be equal to 2 pi r into h plus r. We know this formula from the beginning of the chapter, we did it. So that is 2 into, okay, pi. Your answer is, choice is given in terms of pi, so let us not remove that. R is here 7, so into 7 centimeter. H is 9 centimeter. Just now we, H is here 7. R is 9, R is here 9. And then H is 7 centimeter plus R is 9 centimeter. So we can just, instead of putting centimeter here and there, you can just write 9 into H is 7 plus R is 9. Area is 2-dimensional, so you can just put your centimeter square. So here that will give you here 2 pi into 9 into this 2 is 16 centimeter square. So here 2, 9 6 are 54. 9 6 are 54, so 5 in hand. And 1s are 9, 14. So these 2 gone and multiply to this 2, 8. So 2, 8, 8. When you multiply this 3 number, pi centimeter square. So the answer choice that match this one is found in B. So we will write there B, and then 288 pi centimeter square is our answer. Okay, and then next let us go to A3. So A3 is, we have here, let me read the question. In a cylinder, if the radius is halved and the height is doubled, then the volume will become what? Choices are there. Okay, so in a cylinder, so this is the cylinder, first original, then R is the radius, let us say, and h is the height. Now this is changed to, according to question, radius half, height doubled. So that means taller now and thinner. Radius half means r by 2, half of the original, and height is doubled means become 2h. That's what the question is saying. If this is the case, then what will become of the volume? So here, okay, let r equal to radius and h is equal to height of first cylinder or original cylinder. Okay, then since question is saying, look at your question, radius is half, radius is halved, okay, radius is halved, and height is doubled, height is doubled. So we can write that as it is in the question. Now what does this mean to us? That means, in other words, that is r by 2 equal to r by 2, and we can just write directly also, and doubled height means 2h rd, radius and height, okay, height of the new cylinder. That's what it means. The new cylinder has become thinner and taller. That's what it means. Okay. Therefore, they are saying volume of the new one. What is the change you'll observe? So let's just write there in the numerator. Comparison means you can do by division. Volume of new. Okay, you write here respectively. Meaning this is radius, this is height. Radius, height. See, volume of new cylinder divided by volume of first cylinder or original cylinder, whichever way you like to put it, will be equal to pi. New one is r by 2, so bracket is a must, by r square, h is 2h, divided by original one is pi. First one here r and h only, so we can just put there r square into h. So pi and pi cancel, h and h can cancel. We cannot yet cancel these two because the bracket is not yet dealt. So let us do that. That will be equal to, long line, r square divided by 2 2s are 4. Okay, into here, 1 2 is there, don't forget that. So 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, can cancel now, by r square. So here now, r square by 2, then r square by 1 here. Long line means division, change to multiply, then 1 will go up, r square will come down. So this r square, r square. So it has become, in other words, that is this one, volume of new cylinder, volume of the new cylinder. Okay, that is the volume of the new cylinder, numerator, don't shift, and if you shift this, it will go and multiply this half, so half, and then it will go up into volume of first cylinder. See, so the volume of the new cylinder has become half of the first. So the answer choice that is matching this one is, now go there, A is same, B is double, C is half, so C is the right choice, halved. As you can see, it's matching the answer that you got here, right? So next, last question before this video ends. No test for this, as I said, then A4. Let's read the question carefully before we do it. Curved surface area of a cylinder. Okay, curved surface area of a cylinder of base radius 2r is pi r square. Okay, so a cylinder is there. Base radius is clearly mentioned from here to here is 2r. Okay. Curved surface area is given. Volume of the cylinder will be what then? So let us do that. So here, for this cylinder that is mentioned in the question, 2r is equal to radius, very clearly directly given, and h equal to question mark is the height, let us say. So this is the height that we don't know anything about. Okay, and then you have to find curved surface area. Since question is saying it's curved surface area is, according to the question, pi r square. So pi r square is given. So with this we have to find out what is told to us. Okay, so here let's do that. That is, in other words, curved surface of a cylinder is 2 pi r is here 2r, 2 pi r h. This is the formula for curved surface area. So 2 pi r of this cylinder is 2r, so we put there, and h is h itself. That one is means equal, and here we write pi r square according to the text. So this pi and pi can cancel, we know that. Right, so here we can just write down h. So just keep h on one side and then shift the rest, r square by this 2 and 2 will come down along with the r. So r to the power 1, 2 minus 1 gone. So h is equal to r by 4 will get r by 4. We'll got the height and the radius here. So therefore question is asking us volume. So let us write down volume, or its volume directly. You can write like that. Therefore its volume of cylinder is pi r square h. Now be careful, r here is 2r. So 2r means 2 factors, the bracket is a must. Pi r square h is here h. So just put there h. See h. Then we can write pi, 2 2s are 4, r square. Now bracket 2 2s are 4, r to the power 2. The bracket there means the power 2 belongs to both of them, right? Into here h, just now we got r by 4, so we can put the r by 4. This 4 and 4 can cancel, so we'll get your pi r square into r is r cube. So the answer choice that match this one, volume pi r cube, is C. Look into your text and you'll find there. So that's the right answer. This concludes the video. Okay.